Hi, my name's Adam Dorrell, and today I'm going to talk about a new feature in Custom Engage 3.0. We call it the in-application upload, and this is a simple and secure way of uploading data manually into Custom Engage. Now, we've normally had several ways of getting data into the system. We're thinking of Excel files or flat text files, and you're able to upload files automatically via SFTP or using an API. But what we're offering in the new version of the Custom Engage is a way that you can drag and drop and upload files simply, and we're going to just demonstrate that simply today. So the first thing I'd like to show you is just to so you can understand about the file system in Custom Engage. Here you can see how we set the system up. There are a list of files, fields available that can be simply added to or modified here, and we can select whether they need to be required and the type of fields that they should be, so that when the upload is completed you'll know if the file is valid or not. So if we go right into the system here, you can see that we have the ability to upload a sample template. So let's have a look at that now. This is a CSV or an XML file that you can base your upload on, and you can see the fields here: email, order date, and so on, and various other fields that should be put in there. So just to show you how we would work with the system, if you were uploading a file, it's very easy to import a file. So for this case I'm going to use a trick here and use an incorrect data, and you'll see why I'm going to do this in a moment. So in the incorrect data file, we're uploading it into the system, and we'll be able to see very shortly a series of what we call success rows here. I'm just going to scroll to the right here so you can see the data that's on them. And at the top, the failed rows, and you can see that some are in red. So let's find out exactly what these are. When I hover over it, we'll show you that this field is not a valid email format. Yeah, you can see there's no @ sign in the middle of it. Also this one, also not a valid email format. But what about this field over here, number order? It says the field is required but empty. Okay, so we're going to have an opportunity to fix these, so we'll just decline that upload, and then we'll go to our spreadsheet where we've got the file. Actually, I've already done this. This is the corrected data CSV, so you can see I've put an @ sign in there. Also in here, corrected the email address and filled in the number. So this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to select all of the data in the spreadsheet just with it, and then I'm going to drag and drop it into my system, copy and paste from Excel. So here we go, put all the data in there. You can see it's just now tab separated in the field. We'll upload that, and we have a success, and all the rows are now successful. Here we shall approve them, and then we can see the reporting in here. This is now being processed. Here we have total 10 rows, 10 with success with 0 errors. You've also got some other tabs that show you which ones are rejected, which we did earlier on, and the stats, where you want to see that the amount of data that's gone in there. So it's as simple as that to get data into the system. If they've been correctly uploaded, they will be sent, and just to recap, it's a very secure process because you have full HTTPS encryption on the system. It's very simple to use, and you can see you get immediate confirmation. Thanks very much for listening.